Ayan guys, mag-unboxing na naman ako. Bago ang lahat. Okay, let's go. Tap. Ito. Sana hindi to siya malaki. Kasi kailangan ko siya. Ito yung mga alam nyo guys, ito yung mga natanggap kong mga gift card sa school. In-order ko dito, no? Para magamit ko. Yan na natin kailangan ng Halik kayo guys, samahan nyo ako guys. Oh, ang dami, mabigat oh. Ang dami siya. Sa isa. Hey, kadaghan ba ni? Dami. Una. Dami akong in-order, no? Una. Wow. Wow, the large also is big. That's why my size is medium though.
What? Is everything too big?
I don't know. Everything is too big for me.
Well, then we send them back.
Timo is gonna do this. Timo?
The team one is a dress. It should fit.
Guys. Short na siya guys. Testingan na to. Chalala tan tan. Chalala la la la. Timo ni siya guys. Timo ba ni? Di Amazon ni siya. Amazon na Timo. Walang bisa. Kailangan ako di guys kay
Well, yes, Timu does returns too.
that's returns.
Yeah.
But I will try later, okay? Because look like big. Let's see. We're gonna
That
unbox.
skirt is from Amazon. That's too big?
Let's see. Yeah, it's look like too big. But I wear this one look like too tight. Let's see. Okay, next. Love for full.
That was too tight or too big?
Not yet. I can't decide yet because I'm wearing this one.
Oh. You gotta take off the hoodie. You should probably take off the other shirt too, but not on in front of your thing.
Later. That's why I told you later.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do my stuff. This one is just nice. I like this.
That don't look like it's gonna be too big.
No. That's why I told you my size is medium. My t-shirt is...
Honey, you didn't tell me that the other day when we were ordering, and we always order large for you for dresses.
Yeah, but not everything large though.
I don't know that. You didn't tell me that.
This one is good.
How you know you didn't try?
Oh, this one is thin. I thought this one is like thick.
What is it? Is that
T-shirt.
shorts or t-shirt?
T-shirt again. Sayang guys. Oh. Yeah, I need to. Here. Yeah, scissors.
Yeah.
Scissors.
I don't see.
Dami kong in-order guys. Okay, let's see guys. Nag-order ako. Ito yung...
It don't look too big.
This one is not bad. I like this. Like this. Yeah, not bad. I like it.
Okay.
Yes. You guys, oh. Brown. Alright, brown. Dami. Try natin mamaya. Basta fit na sa kuha. Maybe I do here. Because this one is...
Yeah.
No, don't need to close like that. Never mind. Guys, sorry guys ha. Magubad ako sa harapan. Gusto kong itry guys. Ay. Wala nang hiya-hiya pa. May panty naman tayo eh. Try ko to ulit guys. Yung aking skirt. Amazon ito. Kailangan ko to guys. Kailangan ko to. Oh, this one is just nice. Large.
See, you yelled at me for nothing.
No, the other one.
You yell at me for...
Guys, oh, I like it, guys.
Yeah, that fits you.
Yeah. Oh, ito yung gusto ko, guys. Kasi pwede ko siyang masuot
It's
sa...
just those long pants is it's the problem.
Pero supportive ba ni sa Pam? Oh. Bahala na kayo guys ha. Basta ako'y may panty. Eh, gusto ko yung mahilan nyo ba? Oh, diba? Wow legs. Ito. Wow legs. At least na lumit-liit natin yung tiyan natin. Thank you my love. Next. Next. Wow, honey, I like this. Another, guys. Another. Puro to ano skirt, guys. Skirt. Ah, this one's so nice. I like it. This is what I want. This one. This type. See? Ganda siya, guys. Kasi, pwede kong suotin sa school. Pwede kong suotin mag-biker. Next time, I'm gonna order the biker shirts. Si Honey tumawa. Honey, I like this, honey. Oh, ito yung mga gusto ko. Oh, diba? Oh. La 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 la. Kahit tag ano to, tag 700 ang isa, okay lang. Tag 700 kasi ang ganda oh ng material, oh. Oh, tatlo to guys. Tatlo. So, mag-vlog tayo nito pag sinuot natin. Labahan ko to ngayon, hand wash, tapos i-dry ko. Wala lang hiya-hiya, guys. May panty naman tayo eh. O, diba? Sa vlog yan. O, at least, nag-flat-flat na yung tiyan natin. Ang dami nito, guys. Ang dami. Dami kong ano. Dami kong vlog. Yung ano, yung mga t-shirt na ano, in-order ko. T-shirt, okay lang yun. Sana yung kuwan? Sana yung gunting? Guys, mukha tayo ng gunting guys ha. Hayaan nyo na lang yung paa ko nyan guys. At least na hindi nyo nakita yung ano ko. Kita ko sa inyo yung another t-shirt. I think ano ako ng tatlong t-shirt. I think guys, kailangan ko. Yeah. Pareho ng kulay ng brown. Pero ito naman is black. Kasi ang black hat, saan mo siya i-partner. Pwede ito sa skirt ko. Bukas, suotin ko bukas. Ah, diba? Sexy yan, oh. Ganda siya. Next. Nagkalat na ako dito. Magtapon ako ng basura. Dami pa to, guys. Okay. Ito yung isa. I-try ko yung ano. Ito yung skirt na isa, guys, oh. Ang ganda ng kulay. Gray. Kumuha ako ng gray. Kumuha ko ng gray, guys. Pwede itong pang jogging. Dalawa ang black, pero ang isa gaya. Wow, I like this too. I like this too. Tingnan nyo. Parang sayal lang, pero may pants. Ayan. Diba ang ganda? Oh. Oh. Tilala tete, tilala tete, tilala tete, tete tete. Oh, diba ang ganda? Tilala tete. Fit pala sa akin ang large. Fit. Ganda. Ito yung gray. Next time mag-order ako nung isang, ano yan, love the gray.
Yeah, it's pleated.
Very pretty.
It's pleated.
I'm gonna order another.
You notice that?
What's pleated?
It's pleated.
This one?
Yeah.
I like it.
Yep.
Gusto ko guys, oh. Oh. Pag ganun mo guys, wow. Wow, ang panty ko. Wow. Na-appeal pa tong kuan. Ito yung ano niya guys, oh. Ito yung karton niya, oh. Karton, oh. Tag niya, tag. Ang ganda guys, I love it. Oh, kasi lumiit-lumiit na yung tiyan natin, so just nice sa kanya. Talalalata, talalalata. I-vlog ko rin yung mga t-shirt na nabili ko. So walang problema sa mga ano. I-vlog ko yung mga t-shirt. Oh, gusto ko. Oh. Gusto ko tong mga skirt na binili ko. Tatlo sila. Dalawang ano. Dalawang black. Oo. Wala lang hiya-hiya. Oy, basta hindi nakita yung panty ko. So, ito yung isang t-shirt, guys. Oh, hindi ko naman pera ito. Mga regalo lang to sa akin. Gift card. Binili ko ng mga ano sa Amazon. Please, mapuslan, guys, ba? Oh. Okay lang na, oh. Diba, oh? Hala, ay. Oh, wala nang hiya-hiya dyan. Ito ba nakita ang panty ko? Ang malaki yung ano ko, yung
Oh,
pants.
honey, your stuff's in the way.
It's okay. What do you want?
I want a beer.
Go.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah. Honey, what are you doing? Go later.
I want a beer. Can you cover it up for a minute?
They're gonna see you there. Put out your underwear.
I already put them in the laundry.
Hold on, honey. Let me finish my thing. Yan, guys, oh. Another skirt, guys. Apat pala to. Apat na skirts. I like it. Oh, I like the other one. Apat pa lang sa. Ito yung gusto ko. This is my best. The 2-1. Like it, see?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, kasi magandang
And
magano.
you told me too big.
No, because I'm...
The only one too big is the pantses.
Yeah, the one. I'm gonna return, but I like that one. 10. Everything is fine except the other one. Okay, guys. Yan na po. Mag-vlog ako another one. Isusuot ko yung mga t-shirt ko. Thank you for watching. Mabuhay, Philippines!